How to achieve exceptional sales results by developing your negotiation and deal closing skills. Negotiation and deal closing skills are essential to succeed in sales. Sales reps with strong negotiation skills achieve higher performance, gain trust faster, close deals faster, and have more authentic relationships with their prospects. Negotiation also helps you sell more by increasing your likelihood of closing the deal, instead of leaving money on the table or walking away from a sale. Network with decision makers. The best way to improve your negotiation skills is to build relationships with people with experience. Though many of us are uncomfortable with negotiating, it's something that all business people do several times per day. Observing and networking with decision makers is the best way to improve your sales skills. At the same time, you need to get a feel for what they value, how they structure deals, and how they think. By doing so, you can start to see where you can improve your sales results by closing more deals and making more money. It requires more than just attending industry events or joining a sales network. You need to actively participate in conversations, ask questions, observe others' interactions, and take notes during conversations. When conversing with decision makers, it's important to understand their goals, objectives, preferences, and priorities in order to identify possible areas of agreement that can be leveraged for successful negotiations. Expose yourself to new environments. Sales are all about trust. You can build trust faster and more authentically with decision makers by exposing yourself to new environments that increase your risk. When you put yourself in a situation where you have less control over the outcome, you build trust faster. This is especially true if you have to overcome a challenge or if you have to improvise to find a solution. Take these opportunities as a chance to practice your negotiation and deal closing skills. Exposing yourself to new sales environments is a great way to increase your sales knowledge and negotiation skills. When you take on a new role, attend an industry event, or volunteer, you acquire the ability to offer different solutions and gain valuable sales experience. Additionally, looking for sales opportunities that challenge you is important, as this will help you develop resilience and confidence in your sales approach. It's also important to research the industry before attending any events or meetings with decision makers. Researching helps you understand what type of conversation topics resonates best with them and how they prefer to structure their deals, like pricing or payment terms. Take the time to ask questions. This will help you uncover any objections your prospect may have. It will also help you uncover any gaps or misconceptions they may have about your product or service. Taking the time to ask questions will help you identify better ways to pitch your products and services. Better yet, it will help you uncover objections that are deal killers. When you take the time to ask questions, you also build trust with your prospect. This happens when you take the time to understand their challenges and how your product or service can help them overcome them. Asking open-ended questions allows sales reps to discover the motivations and needs of their prospects, which is essential for successful sales negotiations. Doing your research before meeting a prospect and knowing what they are looking for in a deal will help you be better prepared during negotiations. Additionally, understanding how much budget they have available and what timeline they are working on can give you more leverage in the negotiation process. Sales reps should also be aware of any objections prospects may have regarding products or services offered. This means asking probing questions during conversations to help uncover potential issues or gaps that could derail a sales deal. By asking questions and actively listening, sales reps can better address any objections and make the sales process as smooth as possible. Evolve your sales pitch and deal terms. Make sure you revisit your sales pitch regularly. Use your prospect's objections to ask for feedback about the pitch. At the same time, use your prospect's feedback as a way to evolve your sales pitch. You can also consider evolving your deal terms. This is especially true if you're having difficulty closing deals and persuading decision makers to accept your offer. You may have a great deal, but slightly changing the terms might be in your best interest. Negotiating is all about finding creative solutions that satisfy both parties' needs. When sales reps are looking to close more sales, they must be willing to evolve their sales pitch and deal terms. By understanding the goals and objectives of both parties involved in a sales deal, sales reps can adjust their sales pitches accordingly. Learn from past experiences. To become a sales master, sales reps must learn from their past experiences. Keeping accurate notes of sales calls can help sales reps gain insight into what works and what doesn't when it comes to sales conversations. Going over these notes can also help sales reps better understand how prospects express themselves and the types of objections they may bring up during negotiations. By studying past sales experiences, sales reps can recognize patterns that emerge in customer conversations and adjust their sales strategies accordingly. This will allow them to be more prepared for future sales calls and have better control over the sales process as a whole. By learning from past sales experiences, sales reps can gain the skills necessary to increase their sales performance and become successful salespeople. This will help them close more sales efficiently and effectively and create meaningful relationships with customers that result in long-term sales success. Conclusion: sales is an exciting and challenging career path. There are several ways you can improve your negotiation skills. You can network with decision makers, attend industry events, and take the time to ask questions. You can also expose yourself to new environments and evolve your sales pitch and deal terms. Finally, you can take the time to learn from past experiences and use them to improve your skills for a more successful sales performance.
Be sure to like and subscribe. And check out the links below.